Alright, I got this 4-pack of recessed lighting, 4-inch recessed lighting, 850 lumens. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes, so I could show them to you, but all paintings are going to be my own. And I'm going to set one of these up and wire it up for you real quick just to show you how easy it is. But first, let me show you what you get with this. So obviously we have a 4-pack of lights. Everything you need comes in here. The 4 lights themselves and 4 junction boxes. Looks pretty simple to me. You got spring-loaded clips on here, so you got your hole in your ceiling. You're going to pull these clips up, recess through the hole, and it snaps back down over top of the drywall. So that's very simple. Another cool feature about this is that it rotates 30 degrees on here. So if you had like a side wall or something on there and you wanted to redirect the light down 30 degrees, you could do that. Or even if you wanted to go this way or that way, or maybe showcase something on a wall, you got 30 degrees of movement on here. These lights feature 5 different color settings on here, and each box has a switch on there. So you can set them all to the same color setting. We got 2700K up to 5000K, or you can set them all to different settings if you want. It's just as simple as setting the switch to the color that you want. And we'll test these out too. Inside the junction box, this is what I like. They give you some mounting hardware on here, and you've got your typical hot, neutral, and ground settings. And what I like is they already come pre-connected with these awesome newer style electrical connectors. So simple to wire. You just shove them in there and you're done. And the box itself actually has knockout slots on each side, so you can knock it out, run your wire through, close it up with the lid, and when you're ready to connect them, it has a 3-pin connector on here. You line the pins up and you screw this on and it locks it into place. Look at that. All right, let's wire this up and see what it looks like. Take the black wire and stick it in there next to the existing black wire. Just push it through. That's that. Now we'll take the white wire, stick it next to the existing white wire. And of course, you would do the same thing with the ground, but I don't have a ground wire on here. But it's simple as just shoving it in there. You can see it goes through and locks in there. So, all right, let's plug it in, see what we get. You got a 30-degree angle of movement on here. This way, or if you want it this way, this way. Right now I have it set on 5000K, which is like a bright white light. I'm gonna take it to the next one. Kind of a softer white light. This is the next one, more soft. Here we get more of a yellowish tint to it, and really yellow. So 5 different settings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boy, I might leave this up here. Look at that. So if you're looking for a set of recessed lighting, be it a 4-pack or whatever, a set of recessed lighting that has a 30-degree angle of movement on here so that you can showcase things on your wall, or if you had angled ceilings. Super easy to install. Comes with the junction box, the clip, everything you need on here. Spring-loaded clips to lock it into the drywall. Really super easy push-on connectors on here. And 5 different light settings. Check out this one. Check it out.